In this video, I'm going to show you how I use one of the best strategies to make money online. What's up friends, Amar here, and let me show you how I make money online using this model, which is list building and affiliate marketing. I'll show you how to do everything for free. When you make enough money from it, you can upgrade and make even more commissions and more money as a recurring income. And before I get into it, please support the channel with a like or a comment. It will be very appreciated. Now this is a very simple system. You build a list of subscribers that you can promote to using broadcasts or autoresponder email series. And for that, you need the tool that will allow you to make pages, make funnels, and also store and manage your subscribers. The simplest funnel that you can create is a landing page where you promise something for free so that people can give you their email addresses, and then a thank you page where you deliver the promise, what you promised, like an ebook or a training or something that you want to give for free, and you promote other affiliate products on the back end on the thank you page, and also using the email broadcasts since people will be already subscribed to your list. And by the way, I will show you later how you can import these two pages here that you see here completely for free and instantly, and you can use the same model that I'm showing you here to make recurring commissions. So here is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and you can see that I am making some commissions. And I will show you also another affiliate account, which is Leads Leap account, and you can see also that there are some recurring commissions. So once the system is set up and ready, we want to send free traffic or paid traffic to this funnel here so we can start building a list and promoting at the back end. And I will show you by the end of this video some methods to generate free targeted traffic. So here is the main tool that will be used in this strategy here, and there are of course other tools that will generate recurring commissions, but this one is the main one because it will allow us to create and manage our list, as you can see here at the left hand side, and also to create pages and funnels for free. And you can also broadcast to your subscribers for free. If you want to set up autoresponder series, you need to upgrade, and when you upgrade you will receive more traffic. You can set up an email autoresponder series and you make more commissions as well. Now these are the funnel pages that are used in this strategy. This is the landing page, and this is the thank you page where we deliver the training, how to use the system, the list building, how to generate traffic, etc. So if you are interested in using these pages, this funnel, you can own it. I mean, you will be able to import it instantly, and then you can make changes, put your own content, or use it as it is. So all you have to do is click the link in the description below this video or in the first comment, enter your email address, and you will have access to the share codes that will allow you to import these pages here. And also you will get a video training series that will give you all the instructions to implement the system step by step. Now let's say that you already have your funnel set up, you have everything set up, and you are ready to drive traffic to your funnel to start building your list and making affiliate commissions. So in the next part of this video, I will show you a few methods that I use, few traffic generation methods that I use to generate traffic to my sites and funnels. So when it comes to traffic generation, content marketing is one of the best ways to drive targeted visitors to your landing pages or your capture pages. So in this strategy, I have two steps. The first step is coming up with unique content or unique articles. It will be fast and free. And the second step will be posting that unique content on platforms that have lots of visitors, I mean millions of visitors, like Quora, Medium, and YouTube. And you can of course use your personal blog to post that content. So as you can see here, you can leverage the search engine optimization power SEO with your blog post using the unique article that you got. You can also use the Quora spaces and answers. You can use Medium posts and YouTube videos to drive targeted traffic to your capture page. But in this video, I will give you more details about getting the unique article. These are free, absolutely free tools that you can use right away. The first tool is a website called killerplrarticles.com. killerplrarticles.com, and it has tons and tons of free private label rights articles that you can use. It says it here, all the rights that you have, and at the end it says can also do whatever you want. I mean, you have all the rights to use these articles the way you like to do that. So unrestricted private label rights. And if you go to the categories here, of course you need to create an account and log into your members area, and you will see all the categories: art and entertainment, food and beverage, self-improvement, health and fitness, home and family, internet, business. And this is what I am going to use today for this example. So let's check if we can find a category that we like. Let's see traffic generation PLR articles. We click on it and the website will come up with lots of articles. As you can see here, there are lots of pages filled with articles. Each article, you can see the number of words, like for example this one, 677 words. That's very good for SEO. And there are also bigger articles in this website. This one says 3 ways to gain traffic to your website, 3 tips for building traffic to your website, and so on and so on. If you change the page, you will find other articles, and you have the full rights to use these articles. But there is one thing that you need to consider, and that is very important. Lots of people are coming to this website and using these articles too. So what you want to do is make your article unique, because you don't want to post on your website or anywhere else something that is duplicated content. And in order to avoid that, we are going to use another free tool, which is called Spinbot. So this is a software that spins your article and changes it to be unique. So all you have to do is bring your article, paste it here, click the button, and you will get the new rewritten article here. And after that, we will just go ahead for the last step to check if really the article is unique before posting it on our website or other platforms. And for that, we are going to use a third free tool that is called paperrater.com. So let's go ahead and do one example. So for this example, I'm going to use this article here, 3 ways to gain traffic to your website. So let's open this article and see. And we can read it, take a look at it, 3 strategies to drive traffic. I'm going to copy this article until here, and then Control-C to copy it, and then I will go to Spinbot to change it or to spin it. So I paste my article on this box here, and then resolve the CAPTCHA and click on the button that says Go. and a few seconds later you have a new article. Now this new article, this pinned article, this is the one I'm supposed to post on my blog and other platforms, but before that I just want to make sure that it is unique. So I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy it, and then I will take it to the paper rater to evaluate this article. So here I am on Paper Rater. All you have to do is click the button Get Started below, and then you paste your article that you got from Spinbot here. You paste it here, and then you choose here first grade, for example, and then you choose what category of articles, if it's article, blog, or resume, or book report. I choose article or blog post, and then plagiarism detection I will click include slower. So I will just click on the, I will of course accept the terms of service, and then click on this button Get Report, and then you will have to wait for it because it's working on the article, and it will show us the results in a second. So let's wait together. I don't want to stop the video for these few seconds. The results will be here very soon. Usually it takes less than 30 seconds, but this time it looks like it's taking more time. But let's just give it a chance. It says completed, and this is the report. And the first thing you can see here at the right hand side is plagiarism detection. This means if the article is duplicate or not. I mean, if we click here, your writing does not depict any plagiarism. Keep up the good work. So original 100%. So we are now with an article that is original 100%, and we can submit on our websites and other platforms, of course. So this is gold. Actually, this is, the content is really king. If you have this article like this, you can make from it articles, blog posts, you can participate in forums, you can submit this into Quora Spaces, answer questions on Quora, you can make videos out of it, you can make podcasts out of it, and all these categories will drive you targeted traffic to your website. So the result that we have now is a very nice big fat article that we can use in multiple ways to drive traffic from your blog, from Quora, from YouTube, from podcast platforms, etc., etc. I mean, your imagination is the limit since you have the goal, since you have the content. So back to our graphic, and since now we have a unique article, it's time to go to step 2. I mean, you can post your article on your blog using the SEO Power, and for this you can use a plugin that is called Yoast SEO. You can use it to optimize that article, and you can also go to Quora, post on Spaces. You can answer questions using that content. You can also post parts of that article on Medium and then link to your website. You can also transform or make a video out of that article and also link to your capture page or to your website. There are a few videos on this channel where I explain these steps here one by one, but if you want me to make a new video where I walk you through all these, please leave a comment or a question in the comment section. But I'm sure if you go navigate the videos on the channel, you will find about Quora, about blog posting, about Medium, and also about making YouTube videos from unique articles. I thank you very much for making it so far. I hope you like this tutorial, and I will see you on the next video.